10 years ago, it was very easy to make money off the internet. Why? Because all you basically needed to make money was simply grab a link, paste it on your social media profile, and boom, you suddenly started generating money without even putting in much effort. But the truth is that here in 2025, that old method is dying off. Those quick money glitch are no more working again. In order to really make money and be consistently making money off the internet in this modern time, you need to run a real business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you every single thing you need to know, every single smart idea or smart strategy you need to know to actually set up a real business and start making money off the internet. Whether you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, no matter where you live, this method will actually work pretty much for you. Now, let me use this session to break down to you the make money online culture and what you need to know in order to actually set up a real business and start making money in these times. If you go over to your YouTube right now, you will see a lot of videos promising you about how to make 500 to 1,000 US dollar plus every single day just by clicking on a simple link. Now, the truth is that years back, this method used to work. A lot of us benefited from this method because we got on the trend at a very early stage. Now, the truth is that in these times, these things no longer work again. And this is due to so many reasons. Number one is basically they are oversaturated right now. And secondly, algorithm shift. The algorithm has changed a lot over the years. That has actually affected this old method. And finally, there is no more trust on the internet again. As some people, despite how easy this was years back, they still utilize it to defraud people, and there's no more trust again, which basically means that making money with this method is not hard. That's why you need to set up a real business if you really want to make money off the internet. Now, down to the chapter 2 here, which is basically the smart way you can actually utilize to make money in 2025. Now, before this smart method could even work for you, you need to shift from the old mentality of chasing after quick cash and focus on building real business. Now, here's what I basically mean. Instead of going after every new mobile app that is paying you a cent to watch videos or do things, you should focus more on creating a personal brand that will actually lead people to trust you in order to actually make money. Now, let's take a look at myself as an example. I started Perez Tech as just a normal blog, not even a YouTube channel at first, or just a normal website blog that I used to publish content about. Now, years back, it used to give me a lot of money as a blogger, but over the time, a lot of changes came up, a lot of things changed, and it wasn't delivering as before again. Now, in order for me to keep this name running and every single thing, instead of just letting it die off, I decided to convert it into a marketing agency. Now, as you can see right here in 2025, I've set up a marketing agency whereby we build websites, social media handle, run social media handles, do video editing, and offer other premium services to big businesses out there and small businesses that are coming up. And we are on a flat and a smooth ride of actually making money every single month off the internet. Why? Because instead of just chasing after quick cash like I used to do back then, I decided to follow the modern system by turning my brand into a trustable brand and offering real value to people in exchange for money. Now, the point number 2 is simply, instead of looking for every new side hustle idea out there, pick one thing and focus on it and make it work. Now, a lot of you have this habit of when you come over to the internet, you basically want to chase after every new side hustle out there. Like, you are doing a lot of side hustles, but at the end of the day, you really don't have any reasonable results to show for it. Now, why put yourself through this stress when you could basically pick one particular skill, turn it into a big agency, and then start printing money from it? It's basically simple. Now, down to the chapter 3, let me give you some practical examples on how you can actually maximize any idea you have. Now, the first one is simply, let me say you are into the fitness industry. Maybe you create content about fitness. So instead of just creating random TikTok and Instagram videos about fitness or YouTube videos and hoping to go viral one day, you can actually maximize the opportunities in that industry to start a real business and start making money. Now, for someone who is interested in fitness, the question is, how then do you turn it into a real business? Now, here is it. The first thing you do is simply, instead of just creating every single content idea you have and putting it out there as a content, you could package it up and turn it into an online course. Now, this doesn't mean you don't have to post videos. You still have to post your normal reels or your normal long videos you are posting. But then you need to have some exclusive, top-notch quality that you prepare together as a course. Now, you can basically sell this course to your audience, and the truth is that they are going to buy it, and you can basically make money from it. And on the other hand, you could also create an ebook guide on your fitness tips or your workout routine, so forth and so on, and people are still going to buy it. Or you could open a coaching portal whereby people reach out to you for coaching, mentorship, or any form of consultation that is related to your business. Now, this is not limited to those in the fitness alone. Whatever industry you find yourself, you could actually utilize this opportunity. Now, the next is simply, let me say you are someone who knows a lot about social media. You've used social media a lot. You know how you can grow social media handles. Now, instead of just sitting back there and then teaching people how they can grow their social media handle or just giving them tips, why don't you look at the business side of it? Instead of you just teaching people, you could actually start offering these services as well and start making money. Like basically, there are a lot of small businesses out there within your area that are waiting for you to actually come to them and promote their services on the internet. So basically, you are in the same field as me if you talk about social media growth. So instead of just creating content about social media growth, creating content, offer it as a service. People watching your videos, some of them are not just normal viewers, some are business owners looking for tips on how to grow their business. Now, you as a content creator, you utilize this opportunity by letting them know that what you could actually help them promote their run their social media handles, help them make more sales, and basically they hand you their job and you can start making money from it. As simple as that. Like basically, I don't really run much social media ads when it comes to getting clients for my business. More of the time, I do cold mailing and also giving shout out to my services. Now let's go down to the third one. Let me say you are someone, you are not a content creator. Now, how then do you actually really make money off the internet? Now, basically, every single person out there definitely have one skill or one thing they could actually do. You can't tell me that you are sitting there, you are not interested in any hobby, you don't have any skill or something. Now, whatever skill you have, if you think you don't have enough knowledge about it yet, basically go gather more knowledge about it. It's very easy on YouTube. Just basically come over to YouTube, type whatever skill you want to learn, basically learn about it, and you will be good to start offering services in that industry. And if you already have a skill, basically you could let me know that in the comment section, and I'm going to create a real walkthrough on how you could actually launch a real business on the internet. This will be more of a one-on-one on every single thing you need to do, just as the way I did for my social media agency. And you could also do this as well and just sit back and start making money. The truth is that once you build a personal brand, it gains more trust and it makes it easier for you to actually make quick dollars. Hey guys, this is all I have for you in this video, and if this is your first time here, do well to smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and also do well to turn on the bell notification for more great entrepreneurship and business related videos like me. Now, to round up this video, the truth is that those old methods we've heard about over and over again are dying off, and if we really want to make money, it's advisable we get used to the new method by starting something really reasonable, something that delivers active value to people that people are really demanding for. There are so many skills out there that people are demanding for. Forget about the run of AI taking over your business. AI can never do that. As a smart business owner, you even use AI to make work easier for yourself, like the way I do. So guys, this is basically all I have for you. See you in my next video.